Hey everybody, it's Grace. We're in the lab today and we have something really exciting for you. I have two of our Red Rooster trained baristas and they're working on creating their fall drink specialty menu. Let's get started and see what they come up with.
Today I'm gonna try out coffee creamer. It's gonna be sweetened condensed milk and some pumpkin spices.
Yummy. Jensen, what you got?
I'm gonna be making a Biscoff cookie matcha latte.
Well, let's get to it. So are you making a base right now, Riley?
Yeah, I'm making just like a coffee creamer you'd have at home to add to a cup of coffee. Using this as like the milky part with sweetened condensed milk. I'm hoping it'll bring in enough sweetness. Pumpkin will bring in a nice texture, and I might even add some spices.
Oh, but it's too thick.
No, I think it's good.
Okay.
Because you'll be able to make some nice latte art with it.
You call that a paste?
Let's go.
It's pretty good. I feel like it needs a little bit more sweetener. Okay.
I can taste it, the creaminess of it, and the sweetness and spices afterwards. I think you could do a little bit more.
Yeah.
Yeah, sweeter.
Oh, and the crumbles on top are perfect.
Yeah, the crumbles on top are nice. It smells like an Irish coffee. That's what it reminds me of. I think foam would be good too.
Yeah, I was even thinking about making it cafe au lait style. It just depends on if we can steam this or if this should be mixed in with more milk.
Okay, we're gonna try our next drink. Riley, what are you gonna make this time?
I'm gonna try to make apple cider with some spices, the classic ones for wintertime, with our leaves of gold, which is gonna be pear and hazelnut. It's gonna have some of the same spices in it, like cinnamon and nutmeg.
Yum, can't go wrong with a cider. How about you?
I'm gonna make a cold brew with our leaves of red syrup. It's gonna be cardamom, carrots, sage.
Great, so we've got two drinks using our seasonal syrups, one with leaves of gold and one with leaves of red. This will be really nice to try both of those. Okay, cool, let's go.
You're gonna steam it.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah. I think that'll
Yeah, this is like fall night, round a fire,
Yeah.
some hay rye, scarecrows, corn. It's very harvesty, but sweet. It's good.
I use our leaves of red syrup. There's going to be apple cider, carrots, sage, cardamom, cinnamon, maple. And I did cold brew, a little bit of half and half, and then whipped cream on top with also the pumpkin spice top.
It's pretty. It's a good looking drink. Oh man, that's delicious. That is super delicate. It's really delicate.
Oh yeah, that's great. And
Yeah.
the creaminess with it and the whipped cream on top adds a nice coolness. Yeah, I think that's lovely.
Well, let me ask you a question. Out of both of your drinks that you've done so far, which one are you leaning towards?
I'm always leaning toward a cider because it is easy and delicious and it's age appropriate for everyone.
Yeah. What about you?
I'm probably leaning more towards the leaves of red cold brew.
Okay. Yummy, yummy. Thanks everyone. Have a good one.